Okay, got Poulans on the bench. This is the 34 I ported. Just opened up lower transfers, raised the intake, raised the exhaust. Still gotta tear down this 2150 for the carb and fuel lines. Was going to mod the stock muffler for this saw. And realized somebody already had. Beautifully, might I add. And then when I looked inside of it, I realized it's one of these CAD mufflers. Like a catalytic converter. So, I just stole the muffler off the 2150. Opened it up here. Put a straight line in it with the Christmas tree bit through one of the holes that was already existing there. Punched a hole through the spark arrestor, and then I just opened it up in the back corner. But if you know 2150s, that's the 2150 muffler. Which I like the bolts on more, but mainly for access reasons. Waiting on Allen keys from eBay. I still want to do a timing advance to this, so I'll be getting into that. But that's it for now for Poulans.